I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on a laptop. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the necessary specifications for a smooth experience. You'll need a 64-bit Windows 10 operating system or newer, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a 4-core processor. A dedicated graphics card with at least 1 GB of RAM is highly recommended for optimal performance. These foundational checks will prevent many common issues. Once your system is ready, download Apex Legends from the EA app or Steam. After installation, dive into the in-game settings to optimize performance. Focus on the video options. Lowering texture quality, shadow details, and ambient occlusion can significantly boost your frame rate. Disabling VSync and setting a frame rate limit slightly below your monitor's refresh rate will also help maintain consistent gameplay. For the best experience, consider your peripherals. An external gaming mouse offers far greater precision than a trackpad, crucial for competitive play. A good gaming headset improves audio cues and team communication. Always use an Ethernet cable for your internet connection instead of Wi-Fi to ensure the most stable and lowest latency ping. Also, close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate maximum resources to the game. Finally, some gameplay tips specifically for laptops. Overheating can reduce performance, so use a cooling pad or elevate your laptop for better airflow. Experiment with your field of view settings to find what feels most comfortable and gives you a good overview. Spend time in the firing range to practice weapon control and movement. Understanding character abilities and map layouts will give you a significant strategic edge in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.